USCIS cuts work permit validity to 18 months. One of the latest news we have actually is about the USCIS reducing the work permit validity to 18 months. USCIS has officially cut the validity of employment authorization documents, which is called work permits, from 5 years down to only 18 months for many categories. This change affects people applying for green cards, asylum seekers, refugees, and others relying on EADs to legally work in the US. So let's discuss with our followers what exactly changed, right? As of December 2025, USCIS will issue only 18-month work permits instead of 2-year or 5-year employment authorization cards. The new rule applies to both new applications and renewals. The affected categories include adjustment of status applicants, the ones who file for green cards and their applications are pending, asylum seekers, refugees, individuals with withholding of removal, humanitarian categories, and paroles. This applies to EAD applications filed or pending on or after December 5th, 2025. Why is USCIS doing this? According to USCIS and DHS, shortening the EAD validity allows for more frequent background and security checks, reduces the ability of individuals to work long-term without renewed vetting. Aligned with the enforcement-focused policies under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, of course, the critics warn that this will create a chaos, delays, and unnecessary stress for immigrant employers. And what are the consequences, of course, for immigrants? More frequent renewals. People will need to renew their EAD every 18 months, meaning more forms, more fees, and more risk of processing delays, and higher chance of losing work authorization. USCIS has also ended automatic extensions, which means many immigrants could temporarily lose their ability to work while waiting for their renewal. Increased instability for families and employers. Work gaps can lead to job loss of health insurance, and financial uncertainty. And pressure, of course, on USCIS processing time. More renewal application means more backlogs in a system already struggling to keep up. So who's most affected with this USCIS recent change for 18 months EAD applications? Are the first will be green card applicants relying on EADs, and the other one, asylum applicants waiting years for decisions, refugees and the individuals granted protection, parolees, and humanitarian applicants. This does not affect people whose work authorization comes from a visa category such as H-1B, L-1, F-1, OPT, etc. This is an important change, especially with respect to what just happened. USCIS recently stopped automatic extensions and now actually shortened the validity of EADs from 5 years to actually 18 months. So what I would like to tell our followers that are our clients is we see that time to time USCIS either shorten or extend the validity of the EAD applications. What's important here that you need to apply as soon as you need to renew your EAD application, which is usually within 6 months before it expire. And secondly, what I could tell you, this does not apply to applications which already granted. That means if your EAD application is already granted for 5 years, this does not affect you. Or if you file your renewal application or your initial application before December 5th of 2025, you're supposed to still get 5 years actually validity of EAD cards. So I hope this news helps our follower, and we will actually continue to follow the new developments and share with our followers. And if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more immigration updates. This is attorney Ogmen, and have a great day.